Hello everyone, this is Janice and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a candy Christmas tree. It makes a really great gift to give to your children, to your grandchildren for Christmas. It's so fun to make, and the best thing about this is that you can eat some candy while you're making it. Now for this project, I will be using a styrofoam cone. You will also need some candy, and today I will be using hard candy, and you can also make your little tree a solid color. You can also buy candy with different colors of wrappers, and that will look really pretty as well. You will also need pins. The reason why you need pins is because you will be putting the candies attached to the styrofoam cone, so you can form your little candy Christmas tree. So I'm very excited today because I would like to share one of my ideas that I want to show everyone today. So I will get started in a few minutes. Okay, the first thing that I will do is I will get the hard candy. And as you can see, the top piece here to the candy wrapper, make sure you actually face it to the right side. So when you're facing the candy, make sure this is on the right side. The reason is because when you put the pin into the candy wrapper, it's so much easier and it stays in place. So basically on the first candy, you will put the pin right through the candy wrapper, and then you push it into the styrofoam cone, just like that. So make sure it lays flat. So the purpose of this is to make sure that you cover all the white part. You don't want to see any of the white styrofoam showing. So then the next candy, I would poke my pin right into the candy wrapper, and then I would follow right next to the other candy and make sure you push it in. Otherwise, if you don't push in the pins, then they start to get loose. So I will start from the top, and then I will pause my video for a little bit, and then I will continue doing it all the way down to the bottom. So see, this is how it's supposed to be looking. If you see that the candies are kind of like sticking up, you can always fix them as you go. But once it starts forming, it'll fall in its place. Okay, so now I go on to the next candy, and I will poke a hole with my pin. Hold the pin with the candy, and then you push it into the styrofoam and press firmly. And now you turn your cone, and then you put another one right next to the next one that you did before. Okay, as you can see, the candies are full up here, but here at this point, you see there is a white part here, so I want to put a candy right into that open space. Okay, so now we turn it around, and there is a top part, and it's all completed. So now the next step would be to start filling in the open spaces all the way around. So let me add a little more candy to my little Christmas tree, and I will be back to show you how it's looking. Okay, see, now I have more candy put into the styrofoam cone, and now it's starting to fill up really nice. So I would just continue putting some more candy on my little Christmas tree. So this project is very simple to make. It requires a lot of patience because you have to go into each individual candy with your pins and making sure that it follows the same pattern all the way around. And then like towards the end, when you see like there's some little open spaces that you missed, you can always just add a little more candy to fill in the gap. So like I said before, you can put any kind of candy that you like, but today I'm just using red because it's Christmas time, so I think the red will look really pretty because it stands out. And then like say you want to add some little detail to your little candy Christmas tree, you can add like a little star, which I will be showing you after I complete this, and you'll see how beautiful it looks. And you can set this little Christmas tree like in front of your window. You can set it anywhere around the house, and I think it'll look really pretty. So as you fill in the candies, you just turn this styrofoam cone all around, so you're just basically working in the rounds, just filling in all the white spots. Okay, now I have the Christmas tree all completed. As you can see, all the candies are filled in into the white gaps of the Christmas tree, and it looks amazing. Okay, so now that I have all the candies on my styrofoam cone, I would add a little detail to the Christmas tree. This is optional, but I think it looks really great when you put something up there like a little star. And that looks so pretty, doesn't it? It's amazing. It's really nice, and now the candy Christmas tree is all complete. Well, thanks for watching today. Hope you watch my other videos and my new ones that I will be posting here very soon. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time for more videos like this. See you. Bye.